Welcome to this video on animal rescues. This video is dedicated to the fine folks that have devoted their time and experience to help rescue and save all the animals in need. You are heroes. Animal rescues are a heartwarming and necessary part of our society. They provide a safe haven for animals in need, whether they are stray, abandoned, or mistreated. These organizations work tirelessly to provide care and rehabilitation for animals, and to find them forever homes where they can live happy, healthy lives. There are many different types of animal rescues, each with their own specific focus. Some rescues specialize in saving and caring for cats and dogs, while others focus on wildlife rehabilitation. No matter the type of animal, rescues are an essential resource for helping these creatures get the care and attention they need. One of the most heartwarming aspects of animal rescues is the dedication of the staff and volunteers who work there. These individuals are often the first to arrive in the morning and the last to leave at night, spending countless hours caring for the animals in their charge. They provide food, water, medical care, and love to the animals, helping them to recover from whatever hardships they have faced. In addition to the day-to-day care of the animals, animal rescues also work to find forever homes for their charges. This can be a challenging process, as it involves matching animals with the right families and making sure they are well suited to each other. But the joy and happiness that comes from seeing an animal find its forever home makes all the hard work worth it. One of the most rewarding parts of working at an animal rescue is seeing the transformation that can take place in an animal. Many animals that come to rescues have been through difficult situations, and may be scared, injured, or untrusting of humans. But with love, patience, and care, these animals can blossom into confident, happy creatures. It is a true joy to watch this transformation take place and to see the animals thrive in their new homes. Animal rescues also play a vital role in the community, providing education and resources to help people better understand and care for animals. They often offer classes and workshops on topics such as pet care, training, and responsible pet ownership. This helps to create a more compassionate and responsible society, where animals are treated with the love and respect they deserve. In conclusion, animal rescues are a heartwarming and essential part of our society. They provide a safe haven for animals in need and work tirelessly to find them forever homes. The staff and volunteers who work at these organizations are dedicated and compassionate, and the transformation that can take place in the animals they care for is truly remarkable. Animal rescues also play a vital role in the community, providing education and resources to help people better understand and care for animals. If you found this video helpful, click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Thanks for watching.